In 2025, several models stand out for their performance, capacity, and smart features. Here's a deep review of the top 5 air fryers this year, based on real user experiences and expert testing. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL, Best Overall. Overview. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is a powerhouse with a 5.5 quart capacity, perfect for families. It heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, thanks to its Max Crisp technology, which reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The wide basket allows for better air circulation, ensuring crispy results every time. Real experience. Users love how versatile this air fryer is, great for roasting veggies, reheating pizza, and even dehydrating snacks. The one-touch presets make cooking effortless, and cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts. Some note that it's slightly bulky, but the performance more than makes up for it. Why buy it? If you want consistent, restaurant-quality crispiness with minimal effort, this is the best choice. It's perfect for families and frequent cooks who need reliability and speed. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus ClearCook, Best Visibility. Overview. The Instant Vortex Plus ClearCook stands out with its clear cooking window, so you can check food without opening the basket. It has a 6-quart capacity and even crisp technology for perfect browning. Real experience. Users appreciate the see-through lid, which prevents overcooking. The odor-reducing filter is a bonus for fish or stronger-smelling foods. Some mention that the buttons can be sensitive, but the overall cooking performance is excellent. Why buy it? Ideal for those who want to monitor food easily and prefer a mid-sized, user-friendly air fryer. Number 3. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer, Best Smart Features. Overview. The Cosori TurboBlaze offers 13 cooking presets and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing control via an app. Its 5.8-quart basket is spacious, and the dual heating elements ensure fast, even cooking. Real experience. Tech-savvy users love the smart controls, including voice commands with Alexa. The non-stick coating makes cleaning easy, though some wish it had a larger capacity for big families. Why buy it? Best for smart home enthusiasts who want app-controlled cooking and precise settings. Number 4. Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 8-quart 2-basket air fryer, best for multitasking. Overview. This dual-basket Ninja Foodi lets you cook 2 foods at once, up to 8 quarts total. The Smart Finish feature syncs cooking times, and the 6 cooking functions, air fry, roast, bake, etc., add versatility. Real experience. Families love cooking main dishes and sides simultaneously, without mixing flavors. The large size is great for gatherings, but it takes up counter space. Why buy it? Perfect for large households or anyone who wants flexibility in cooking multiple dishes. Number 5. Instant 10-quart air fryer, best extra-large capacity. Overview. With a massive 10-quart basket, this instant air fryer is ideal for big meals or parties. It has even crisp technology and one-touch presets for easy cooking. Real experience. Great for whole chickens, big batches of fries, or party snacks. Some users say it's too large for everyday use, but it's unbeatable for entertaining. Why buy it? Best for large families or frequent hosts who need high capacity.